Baby, don't worry about a thing. Just keep your focus on what you're manifesting. You need to touch it, taste it, feel it, and see it to exist. We must believe with our hearts to achieve this greatness. So what are you going to do today that best supports yourself? Because we know our values have meanings, associations that are painfully and joyfully felt. Repeat after me. I choose to empower. I choose not to be sour. I choose joy over pain. At the end of the day, I create, not hate, because what I focus on, I gain.